Hey my loves, it's your girl VeeKayy. If you don't know now, you know. We have a wig by Wiggins hair. I did try this company before and I actually love it a lot. They have really good wigs. But let's open her up. I haven't looked inside yet, so I don't know what the wig looks like. This is 22 inches, a 13 by 4, and it's in 200 density. This is her right here. This is the wig. This is really like, I like how it feels. It's really soft. This is a loose deep wave wig, by the way. Okay, and she's long. Yeah, I know I'm a shorty. Oh wait. Cause she, ooh. And this is the lace right here. Wow, this is a nice lace. This is a nice lace, and it's pre-plucked too, so it's like you don't even gotta do nothing to that. Look at it. Yeah, this gonna be a ball. We gonna have a ball with this one. We gonna have a ball with this one. And it also comes with 2 HD wig caps. It comes with these lashes for the girlies who like to wear lashes. And it also comes with this headband, this Wiggins headband. This is the inside. This is the lace. This is the parting. This is a lot of part. Dang, it's a lot of space. I like that. She got a lot of space, y'all. Ear to ear. And it comes with a little band, a little strap. We love that because a lot of wigs do not come with this, and I love that. And it also looks like it comes with like pre-bleached too, so you ain't even gotta worry about all of that because they bleached it for you. They bleached the knot for you, so this is beginner friendly. That's why it's giving Scalpiano like that. Y'all see? Wiggins. Y'all good in my books. Y'all good in my books. I mess with y'all. I've been messed with y'all. Yeah. It's about to be summertime, y'all. It's getting hot outside. If y'all want y'all an island gal wig, y'all want an island gal look, this the one right here. So make sure y'all get that Wiggins hair. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and I'm gonna get my hair done the following day, so Friday, and I'll see y'all then. Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know. Oh, whoa, can't do nothing. If it ain't you, just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you say. What you say? Turn back if you go crazy. You what you in the house. Yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, just a press by it. Yeah. You been like that, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walking back it up, you can't let go. You still make me special.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle, little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your
everything.